Hey now, Priscilla here, coming to you straight out of Texas. And I just wanted to hop on real quick and share some things with you. 3 quick tips to increase engagement on your Facebook page. Now, have you ever made a post? You thought it was really good, put up a really nice picture, talked about it, even put up a video, but you didn't get any likes, you didn't get any hearts, you didn't get any shares. All you heard was crickets, no response. So if that's happened to you, understand that it's happened to others. I know it's happened to me. So stick around and I'm going to share with you 3 quick tips to increase engagement on your Facebook page. All right, so let's get started. Number 1, before you do anything, before you post, before you put up a live, before you do anything, go through your news feed, comment, like, and share on the people who are in your news feed. And then another thing that you can do is go to some of the people who have responded to your, or who's liked, who's shared, who's commented on some of your posts. Go to their page and like and comment and share, at least like and comment on their page so that you actually build relationship. Because see, if you want a friend, you've got to show yourself friendly. Amen. So you've got to definitely do that. And then number 2 is, who has birthdays today? Look and see who has birthdays today. You should be able to see that from your home screen on the right-hand side in Facebook. But who has birthdays? Put out those birthday wishes. And then one of the things that you can say, this is a tip, more than just saying happy birthday, you can say, happy birthday, got any big plans? Happy birthday, what are you doing to celebrate today? So you can add that so that you get some response back possibly. And then number 3, go to an influencer's page, someone that you follow, someone that you resonate with. Go to their page, see what the conversation is on the page. Go to a post that you like, join in that conversation, comment, give meaningful comment to what the post is about. So that's 3 quick tips to increase engagement. And I'm pretty sure that if you do this for 5 days, you're gonna get more engagement. You're gonna get more likes. You're gonna get more people coming to see what it is you're talking about. So I encourage you to do that for like 5, no more than 10 minutes before you actually go live, before you actually put up a post, before you actually put up an image. Do that and watch the difference. Watch how your information is boosted in the algorithm. So there are definitely more things that you can do, but we just wanted to start with something that you can do today, something that you can get, get something back on what you were doing. I had to lost my thought for a minute, but something where you can get a return on today. So do that. And then let me know what happened. Let me know about the results. Let's talk about it. So those are my 3 quick tips. What did I say? If you saw my other video the other day, I said you keep your little notes to keep you on track. So engage in others' posts that are on your news feed. That's number 1. Number 2, put out the happy birthdays. And then number 3, post on comment, like, and share on an influencer that you're following. Comment, like, and share on their post. All right. So keep watching my page. If you like what you received today, like, comment, and share. But also hit the follow button. And as I'll be sharing more tips and more training on going live on Facebook engagement, things that'll help you to boost your page. All right. So look, stay safe, stay positive, and I will see you soon. Have a great day.